In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change multiple colors at the same time in Figma. This technique is incredibly useful for maintaining design consistency and making quick, global color updates across numerous elements in your Figma projects. Instead of individually clicking on each shape or component to adjust its color, we'll explore a powerful method that lets you tackle them all at once. This will save you a tremendous amount of time, especially when working on complex designs or comprehensive design systems, where a single color might be used across dozens, if not hundreds, of different elements. Let's dive right in and streamline your workflow. First things first, you'll need to open up your Figma project. Simply navigate to your desired file in Figma, where you have the design elements you wish to modify. Make sure you're in the canvas where the relevant objects are visible and accessible. This is the starting point for applying our efficient color-changing strategy. Once you're in your project, the next step is to highlight all the objects that contain the specific colors you want to change. You can do this in a couple of ways. Either click and drag your mouse to create a selection box around all the desired elements, or hold down the Shift key and click on each individual object you wish to include in your selection. As you highlight these multiple objects, you'll notice that Figma's right-hand properties panel updates. It will display a new section, often labeled Selection Colors, which is incredibly helpful. This section lists all the unique colors currently being used across your entire selection. This overview gives you a clear snapshot of the color palette within your chosen elements, making it easy to spot the exact color you intend to modify. Now that you have your objects highlighted and the Selection Colors panel visible, it's time to identify and copy the specific color code you wish to replace. In the right-hand panel, under Selection Colors, you'll see a list of color swatches, each with its corresponding color code, usually a hexadecimal value. Click on the color swatch that represents the color you want to change across your selected objects. This will open the color picker. From here, locate the color code input field, which typically displays the hex code. Copy this color code to your clipboard. You can do this by selecting the code and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This step essentially records the old color you're about to swap out. Finally, with the old color code copied, you're ready to implement the change. Stay within that same color picker window for the color you just selected. Here, instead of copying, you will paste your new desired color code directly into the color code input field. For instance, if you want to change a specific shade of blue to a new shade of green, you'd paste the hex code for your new green here. As soon as you paste the new code and press Enter, or click outside the color picker, you'll instantly see all instances of that original blue color transform into your new green across every single object you had highlighted in your selection. This immediate visual feedback confirms the global update. It's a remarkably efficient way to make sweeping color adjustments, ensuring uniformity and saving you from tedious manual work. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to manage and modify multiple colors simultaneously in Figma. Experiment with different colors and enjoy the efficiency this method brings to your design workflow.